We ended up sleeping at this park last night, Landa Park. It is very nice. It's 7:30 in the morning now. No one bothered us. No one told us to leave. So here we are. All the puppies are having fun. Weta, too far. Turn around. That's too far, honey. Come on. I know you're old and you think you run the place, but you don't. Come on. Let's go back to the truck. Go. Come on. Let's go get a snack. Good girl. She's chipper. I love the sounds of nature. The birds and the bugs. Look at all these guys just chomping on some breakfast. And there's a little squirrel. Last night, this park was so packed with people. Everyone left around 10 o'clock, 9:30, I'd say people were leaving. And then I still saw cars pulling out of here at 1 in the morning. So even though it closes at midnight, we stayed, no issues. Now, time to make some breakfast. Find out what this book is. Cold Sassy Tree. So some girl read this and then gave it to her mom. I'm gonna leave it here. Plus, doesn't look like my kind of thing. All right, back to the task at hand. Ooh, well, Keaton's still asleep, so I think I'll drink some water and do some yoga before breakfast. Good girl, okay. Call her. Wait. Get it. Go, Mia, go. Yes. Yes. Oh, yay, good girl. Got my ladies in the truck. And there's a Rocco and a daddy. We made breakfast this morning, breakfast tacos with potatoes, eggs, spinach. He had lamb and boudin with his. We didn't have any cheese, but at least we had tortillas and stuff. And then he had some salsa. I made coffee and it actually worked out today, so that was good with my oat milk and my honey. And it wasn't bad. And this park is so crowded. I mean, what had no people this morning is now just super packed on this Memorial Monday. So we're pretty much packed up again, and now we're going to take off and find some water to jump into. Whether it's a river or a lake or a pool, any water we can find. We're going to be there. There's Rocco and his daddy watching the train go by.
Isn't that cool?
It'd be cooler if I could ride on it.
$5 per ticket. There's $300 on that train. What'd you think, Rocco? Oh yeah.
She's a lady.
Oh yeah. It's great outside.
Morning.
Morning. You can't tell me what to do. You want to go say hi to that boy?
Doing a little puppy first aid. It looks so dramatic with that on there, but
She's a dramatic girl.
she is.
Look at her.
Her foot was hurting, and so she was licking it, and then she just rubbed it raw, and we
She
just
took her dew claw off. I guess it was cracked and it was bothering her.
yeah.
And so now she's taking it off. I've managed to mess this all up. All right, Bear. Let me see your hand. All right. So watching ER for puppies. She's 19, so it's elderly care. And I'm officially a health worker. There we go.
Do you get the benefits?
They don't get any benefits.
Wow.
Yeah. Is that too tight? There.
There we go.
You just be careful. Don't lick on it for at least 6 hours. Okay?
I have some pain relief Neosporin if we need to. We got to get her eye boogies too while we're at it.
Such a good girl.
My goodness, he is conked out.
Well, I covered him in water, so he's nice and drying off. It's like he's got AC on his body. Oh, yeah. Doing a good job, buddy bear. Just lay there. I'm horrible with pets.
Well, we found our favorite place in San Antonio, the music section of the Half Price bookstore. We just got to Eisenhower Park, and I think this is where we're going to stay tonight. Hopefully we can hike before it gets too late.
We have about an hour and a half. Let one out and let him pee in.
Yeah. He is a lizard hunter no matter what town he's in. You find it, Rocco? Where's that lizard? Go find it. Good boy. Happy dog.
I'm the Lizard King. I can do anything.
Good boy. Do you see the lizard? You see him? Go find him.
Big.
Yeah, get him, Rocco. I made salads. Keaton made Brussels sprouts. Some zucchinis. Salmon and rice. And the puppy dogs. Where is drooling? Go, Rocco, go. You happy? Yeah? I think it went over there. Look, Rocco. Over there. Go find it. Go, Cordy. Go. Yes. Turn around. Yes. Ooh, Rocco, over here. Rocco, he's over here. Come on, son. Look, he's in here. Go find him. Happy boy, you're so good. Yummy food. What you think so far? I know you've already had a bite. Of not the salad. What do you think about the salad? Good. Glad you like it. What a dick.
Moving on.
Gonna go hiking.
1 minute into our hike.
We're
And I'm
gonna
exhausted already.
Gonna go hiking. We got a sassy bear.
I don't know.
And we got a Rocco knot.
Yep.
Go, Rocco. Oh, good boy. We left the Weta in the truck because she's an old lady, and we asked her if she wanted to come, and she was like,
She just stared
No.
at us like we were stupid.
yeah, she did. She stared at us like we were stupid. So here we are.
On your left, you'll see some dead cactus. On your right, you'll see some dead cactus.
Come on. Hurry up. Let's go. Go. Cordy. Go, Sassy. Go. Thank you. They're so stinking cute. Daddy got hot. Just kidding. He was already hot.
Come on, kids.
Go.
Let's go.
Come on, Sassy. Come on. Go. I get your tail. I get it. Oh, I got her tail. Go. Oh. Go. Brrr. Cordy. Y'all are doing so good. He's so proud. Come on, Sassy. Good. Okay, she is uncomfortably comfortable on this. She's like, yes, this is what I live for. Good girl.
And then up right here. Yeah, and then come up here. Yes, up. I'll have to put the phone down, baby.
It's because I looked behind me. He's okay. Come on, Sassy. Let's go. How you doing?
Oh, that's found.
Need an inhaler? Okay.
Come on, kid.
Band-Aid? Neosporin?
Focus.
I'm just trying to have fun with you. You don't have any fun with me.
That ain't fun.
You're not fun. You're not fun at all. Wow, these trees are awesome. They're right here. They had stopped to sniff something.
Come on, guys.
Go. Let's go. Go. Brrr. Come on, let's go. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Yes. Come on. Not that it means anything to you guys, but we're gonna go watch the sunset. Come on, hurry up. You got both doggies. Yay! Got a sunset coming. Yay! We got an irritated man who's kind of in a hurry and just wants to get this over with. Yay!
You got a girlfriend who's on the camera all the time. Yay!
He can get mad all he wants. I want to record this.
To the truck. Let's go.
You gotta go back.
Yeah.
Look at that sunset behind you, though. Yeah, it's beautiful.
I never look back.
Hydration is so important. He's like, oh, you said we were gonna get a treat. Let's go. Come on, Sassy. Up, up. Oh, yes, good girl. She can handle this. Come on. Good girl.
I'm right behind you.
If she's doing level 4 stuff, me and her are gonna be just fine. A little mountain goat. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Good boy. Wow, big jumps. Good girl. Gonna go up, up? Good. Yeah, keep going, Sassy. You wanna go this way? Good girl. Come on.
You're going the wrong way. Come on, son. Let's go the other way.
Come on, Sassy Bear. Good girl. She's running now. Good boy.
Run. Quitty, quitty.
Quitty, quitty. Oh, big jumper. Let's go get in the truck. Yeah. We found razors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like why longboard somewhere when you can get there going 35 miles an hour with a helmet on?
That's pretty neat. Look at that cloud.
Looks
Someone's
like a,
flipping us the bird.
that's cute. I thought it was a paw print, but yeah, it's a paw print flipping us the
Or
bird.
how about an animal swimming above us with a tail? That one.
Filling up our water for our hot water shower. Beautiful sunset. What a rocket ship crashing.
There you
Going
go.
down.
There you go. Yeah, I see it now.